Hi everyone! Thanks for joining us for Digital Weekends with the Bruce, Valentine's Day edition. Today you guys will be making your own Bruce the Moose Valentines like the one you see on the screen today. So let's get started. I hope you guys have fun and want to make your own Bruce Valentine. So now to get started, I want to show you guys all of the supplies you'll need. The first thing you'll need is this Bruce the Moose Valentine coloring sheet, which you can find on our website. The link will be in our description for you guys. And you'll use this to color and design your own Bruce the Moose Valentine, which is an example of our moose you see in our education workshop. The next thing you'll need will include different coloring utensils, and that includes, for me, colored pencils, but I also have markers. You can use whatever you have at home though. This is just what I have available to me. And then additionally, you can pull out scissors if you want to cut out your Valentine to make it look even more extra vintage. So let's get started on making our craft. So now that we have our Bruce the Moose Valentine in front of us, the rest of this video you're going to watch me coloring the Valentine. So enjoy, use what you have, and get ready to celebrate Valentine's Day with the Bruce's favorite friend, Bruce the Moose.
I love you.
you guys go. You just made your own Bruce the Moose Valentines. So promise you'll be mine this Valentine's Day and make your own Bruce the Moose Valentines. If you had so much fun making this, please make sure to share it with the help of your adult and permission using the hashtag Bruce Museum. And if you're looking for more digital content from the Bruce Museum, please make sure to visit www.brucemuseum.org. Thank you so much for joining us, and bye friends! Have a wonderful Valentine's Day!